Good day, it's Mike from More From Mike, and what I'd like to show you today is my replacement screen which I got from Wunderlich for the original screen. The reason I changed it is with a passenger on the bike, the air turbulence was not a problem for me, but as it got to this sort of section of the bike, it became problematic. This is my original screen and has been subsequently replaced with this monster, which has these, come around this side, these little pieces here. This screen is in the fully lowered position and the original screen stops about here. I shall go and get it for you and try and hold it on with one hand. It is a big screen, but it does work brilliantly. There is absolutely no issue with wind for either the rider or the pillion. So I'll place it as best as I can over the screws, as you can see. And there we go. You can see a screw down there, and that's how much is left over. And down the sides, how much it actually is greater than. So the only part that is similar is right at the bottom. But an absolute gem of a screen that is, oh hang on, let me get some paper, maybe that'll help show up. Where's this? Can we get that down here? Oh, there we go. And those are the details of the screen that I purchased. It is a clear, and mine is a 2018 model RT, just in case, and it fits absolutely perfect. Extremely simple to install. You have this trim cover mount which has got 2 screws here, 2 screws there, and underneath right in the middle are the 2 actual screws that mount it to the mechanism underneath. And when this is raised, I'm 5'10" with my helmet on, and it's probably just the same height as the top of my helmet, so it offers an absolute envelope of still air. I've had my visor open at 70 miles an hour with no problem whatsoever, and the wife is extremely happy, which is important for a passenger, because with the original screen she couldn't even actually hear me on the Senna. The turbulence was that bad. So yeah, this was just a quick video on one of my additions to the bike.